Building a new home is an exciting journey that begins a new chapter in your life. But what happens after you move in? This isn't just about unpacking boxes or arranging furniture. It's about understanding the ongoing relationship between you, your home, as well as the builder's responsibilities and the resources available to you. Hi, my name is Francisca Alonso with AV Architects and Builders. As architects and builders with over 2 decades of experience designing and building homes for clients in Northern Virginia, we understand the process better than anyone. Let's discuss the services and support you can expect after you've settled into your new residence. Once your new home is ready, the last step before officially moving in is the final walkthrough. This is your opportunity to ensure everything is perfectly aligned with your expectations. Any discrepancies or last-minute fixes are noted as punch list items, which can range from minor cosmetic tweaks to essential repairs. This process not only ensures that your home meets the agreed standards, but also sets the tone for a responsible and responsive partnership with your builder even after project completion. It's a foundational step that facilitates a smooth transition into your new living space, securing peace of mind right from the start. Following the walkthrough, the next step involves signing off on warranty items. Most builders provide a standard 1-year warranty that covers various defects and malfunctions that might arise after you moved in. That being said, our houses are like our children. They grow up and become independent, but they will always be ours. If you encounter a problem, we want to be the first call you make. Even if an issue falls outside the warranty, we are still there to support and guide you, fostering a lasting relationship that extends far beyond the warranty period. At move-in, you'll receive an invaluable tool known as the owner's binder. This binder acts as a comprehensive manual for your new home, detailing everything from model numbers of your appliances to specifications about plumbing and electrical systems. It includes swatches of paint used on the walls and information about smart home configurations. We also include a list of reliable trade partners to ensure that you have quick access to professional help when needed. We always put our number at the top, so we can be your first call when you need help. This binder is designed to simplify the maintenance and care of your home, making it easy to manage upgrades and repairs without hassle. Our relationship can extend even further, touching various aspects of your new life in the community. As longtime residents of Northern Virginia, we offer our clients access to a wide network of professional services beyond the construction industry. Whether you need a referral for a healthcare provider, a reliable car dealership, or even local entertainment options, we can provide you with valuable recommendations. This extended service transforms your interaction from a mere business transaction into a meaningful partnership, enhancing your lifestyle and integrating you more deeply into your new community. If not already handled during the initial construction phase, interior design services are often provided post-move-in to help personalize your space. We help clients select new furniture, integrate existing pieces, and even assist with decluttering efforts. This service is crucial for transforming your house into a home that reflects your personal style and meets your functional needs. Whether it's installing custom niches for art pieces or choosing the right rugs and furniture, we're here to help ensure that every corner of your new home resonates with your personal tastes and lifestyle. Within a couple of months, most clients feel completely settled in, as if they have been living in their new home forever. This quick adaptation is often a result of the intentional design and personalized touches that make the spaces uniquely suited to your preferences. By creating environments that not only look appealing but also function seamlessly with your lifestyle, we strive to forge a deep emotional connection between you and your new space. This connection is a testament to the careful planning and attention to detail that we invest in each project to ensure client satisfaction and customized design from day one. At AV Architects and Builders, we don't just build houses, we help create homes that are deeply connected to their owners and their surroundings. Our role evolves from architect and builder to lifelong consultants, ensuring every detail is perfect and every need is met long after you settled in. Thank you for watching. Check out our Learning Center linked in the description below for more home building tips, tricks, and insights. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time.